Hi guys! So in this video, I will show you how to share location on WhatsApp. So this is actually pretty quick and simple. So let's go and I will show you and guide you on how to do this. So first thing is you need to get signed in on your WhatsApp. So I've already signed in on my account. That's why I've already have my chat in here. But you have not yet signed in, then you first need to sign in. Once you've signed in, you can see here your chats. Then choose the chat that you want to send your location into. So I will choose this chat right here. Then after that, I will just click on this right here. Click on this attachment. And in here, you can see the option to share location. So let's click on the location right here and enable your location. So click on continue. Click on only this time. Click on OK again. And of course, enable the location on the settings. And then after that, you can send your current location, or you can also share your live location. So for this, I will share my live location. So I will click on continue, and then I can choose here on how long I will share that location. So I will share it for 1 hour. And as you can see right now, I have shared my location. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.